Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a favicon. It's also called a browser icon. And in Squarespace, it replaces this ugly gray cube at the top. So for example, here's a Canva website, and their favicon is a C and a circle. So it's a logo, a nod to their logo. So for this website that I created for my dog to teach other dogs how to get along with their humans, we're going to use a paw print as a favicon. So if you already have it, you can skip the next part. I'm going to create it in Canva really quickly. So I'm going to start by just grabbing a square template. That works best for the favicon to have it in a square background. And I'm going to add a paw print. So I'm going to hop into Elements and search for paw prints. And here we go. I'm going to put it a bit at an angle and just have it take up as much of the square as I can. And I'm going to do two versions because in Squarespace, you can have a dark mode version of your favicon as well. So I'm going to do this one that is black, and then I'm going to also duplicate this and do a version that is white. Now you can't see it because it's on a white background, but it'll export just fine. So now I'm going to click share. I'm going to download these. I'm going to make sure I have transparent background on because I don't want this white to show up on white. We wouldn't be able to see it. And I'm going to click download. So I have those downloaded. I'm checking here. They are 35 kilobytes each, so nice and small. And I'm just going to call this paw print black and paw print white. There we go. All right. So now let's go back into Squarespace. And they've been moving things around in the back end of Squarespace. So where you can find this is under Settings and Website, and you can scroll down to favicon. Or this is my favorite hack. You can click this search icon here, or on your keyboard, click the question mark button, the / button, and that will bring up a search box, and you can just start typing favicon, and it will take you right to that setting. So you don't have to dig around inside the settings menu trying to find it. So we're going to do our default one first. This is going to be our black version. So I'm going to upload my file, and I'll add my black version here to the defaults. And for dark mode, I'm going to go ahead and upload that white version. So when the website is in dark mode, you'll still be able to see the favicon, because if it's in dark mode and it's black, you won't be able to see it. All right. So let's go ahead and click save and click out of this. And now when I hit refresh, you're going to be able to see it change here at the top of my website. And now we have our paw print for our browser icon or favicon. Hope this was helpful, and I wish you all the best with your website.